Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Vanessa Farani. I'm from Faculty of Economics, State University of Jakarta. Today I want to presentation about my thesis report is the influence of social media marketing and online customer review on purchase intention in mediation by customer trust. Study on Scarlet Whitening social media followers in Jakarta. Chapter 1, Introduction. First, background. With the Industrial Revolution 4.0, the role of Internet is increasingly important in social, economic, and political life in a globalist world. Everywhere, the Internet is getting deeper in influencing human life. The Internet is very much needed in exchanging information and communicating quickly without any boundaries of area, space, and time. The presence of various social media with the internet, such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, and so on, provides a new way for people to socialize and share information via virtual. According to Termas Media, interconnection network atau internet is a global system of all interconnected computer network. According to Sibero 2016, said that the internet is computer network that connect computer to other computer globally. According to the data above, is that the Indonesian Internet Service Provides Association or APJI show that internet use from 2018 has increased significantly until 2020 and is expected to continue to increase. All process in this era are carried out with an automation system in all activation process, where the internet not only connect people around the world, but also become a basis for the process of economic transaction. With the development of the internet, which is increasing rapidly from year to year, including during the COVID-19 pandemic, many business people have started using the internet to make transactions, either selling, buying, or marketing product online. Business people start looking for information on the internet, maintaining relationship with customer, or providing online service and opening online store. From the data, the value of online shopping transaction, it can be seen that every year there is a fairly rapid increase. During the coronavirus or COVID-19 pandemic, people are very accustomed to online shopping. One of them to buy skincare product or skincare. The pandemic is considered to be the right moment to take skincare measure. Skincare product have become one of the best-selling product purchased by the public during the COVID-19 pandemic. The data show that care and beauty product are in second place at 5.7% after health product. And based on data from Euromonitor International entitled "The Future of Skincare Indonesia" is considered to be the second largest contributor to the growth of skincare in the world. With that, care and beauty product becomes an opportunity for business people to build their business. Artist Felicia Angelista is taking advantage of the opportunity to build a care and beauty product. Scarlet Whitening is her local beauty care product company which was founded in 2017. Scarlet Whitening is product by PT Demoto of the Eternal Banyan, Bogor, Indonesia. All products from Scarlet Whitening have been tested by the Food and Drug Supervisory Agency of the Republic of Indonesia or BPOM MRI. Scarlet Whitening offer a wide range of products which are divided into three categories, namely body care, facial, and hair care product. This is a picture about product of Scarlet Whitening. Next, based on the data above, according to databox.co.id, Scarlet Whitening has been able to lead the body care product market for the period 1st to 15 August 2020 at Shopee and Tokopedia. The market share achieved was much higher than other brands. Tactics and strategies are prepared based on the capabilities they have and the target market they want to achieve. By using social media capabilities optimally, maximum target result can be achieved. Even though Starlight Whitening social media already has 5 million followers, one of the things that needs to be considered more deeply on Scarlet Whitening's social media is that there are still many people who are less literate about their social media. So that many people easily believe in hoax news and even fake account from Scarlet Whitening. There's fake account offer fake product from Scarlet Whitening at much cheaper price. This is example of a Scarlet Whitening brand from search in Instagram Scarlet Whitening. With the risk of fake account that a problem in marketing strategies at the Scarlet Whitening online shop, many customers cannot judge a product directly, so they often rely on review to reduce risk related to product quality and seller authenticity. Based on the explained background, the research to the title, the influence of social media marketing, and online customer review on purchase intention mediated by customer trust, study on social media Scarlet Whitening in Jakarta. Formulation of the problem or problem formulation. First, what the description of social media marketing, online customer review, customer trust, and purchase intention at the Scarlet Whitening online shop. Second, does social media marketing have a significant effect on customer trust at the Scarlet Whitening online shop? Third, does online customer review have a significant effect on customer trust at the Scarlet Whitening online shop? Fourth, does customer trust have a significant effect on purchase intention at the Scarlet Whitening online shop? Fifth, does social media marketing have a significant effect on purchase intention at the Scarlet Whitening online shop? And last, does online customer review have a significant effect on purchase intention at the Scarlet Whitening online shop? Next, research purpose. This is research purpose of my thesis report. Next, novelty research. Number 1, author name and year, Anissa Umaranasution, 2021. Title, The Effect of Social Media Marketing and Product Review on the Tokopedia Marketplace on Buying Interest. Population 89. Method SPSS, objeknya Student Management Study Program, Faculty of Economic and Business, University of North Sumatra. And currently research number 1, title, The Influence of Social Media Marketing and Online Customer Review on Purchase Intention in Mediation by Customer Trust, Study on Scarlet Whitening, Population 200, Method SAM, Object Social Media Followers and Potential Customer of Scarlet Whitening in DKI Jakarta. From the table above, there are novelty from the research conducted by research in terms of population, method, and object. Researchers conduct research on customer of Scarlet Whitening who is domiciled in Jakarta. In this study, there is also an addition to the variable that is mediated by customer trust variable. Chapter 2, Literature Review. First, theoretical basis of social media marketing. According to Santoso by Haki Persada 2017, social media marketing is a form of marketing that is used to create awareness, recognition, memory, and even action for a brand, product, business, individual, or group, either directly or indirectly by using tools from the social web such as blogging, microblogging, and social networking. Second, according to Felix Rauschenabel, since 2016, social media marketing, namely the use of social media platform and website to promote product or service. And third, according to Priyansa, 2017, that social media in a broad sense often associated with the term democratization of information changing people from content readers to content publishers. Indicator of social media marketing. First, context. How to frame a story, how to deliver a message to audience in order to attract attention, information, promotion, and others. Second, communication. How to practice sharing story with our listeners, responders, and grow responses. Third, collaboration, working together to make things more efficient and effective. And last, connection, maintenance of the relationship that has been built to provide comfort in the relationship that has been built. Online customer review. According to Almana, in Sari 2019, online customer review is user-generated content or information created by individuals and can be used as a means for customer to find and obtain information on a product which will later influence purchasing decision. According to Mo et al. 2015, state that online customer review are review given by customer related to information from evaluating a product about various aspects. With the information, customer can get the quality of the product they are looking for from review and experience by customer who have purchased the product from online seller. According to Aulia 2017, online customer review is a review given by customer related to information from evaluating a product about various aspects. With this information, customer can get the quality of the product they are looking for from review and experiences written by customer who have purchased product from online seller. Indicator of online customer review. Ewada, Lu, and Ali 2016, purchase usefulness refers to the extent to which customer believe that online customer review are useful and find it useful. Second, purchase enjoyment, namely that the sense of comfort and fun that is felt in customer when looking for information through online customer review. Third, purchase control refers to the level of control that post-consumer have under their action. Customer trust. According to Kotima and Febriansya 2019, it is that customer trust is the consumer belief that certain individual have integrity, can be trusted, and people who are trust will fulfill obligation on in conducting transaction as expected. Second, according to Sodik Hidayatullah and Ardianto 2018, customer trust is online seller how seller which experience can convince buyers by ensuring their safety name when making payment transaction. According to Van Hui et al. 2019, said the customer trust can be considered as person willingness to the trust based on positive belief and expectation about the behavior of other parties. Indicator of customer trust, Mayer et al. 2018, integrity is customer perception and belief that the company follow principles such as keeping promise, being honest, and behaving ethically. Second, benevolence, based on the truth of a purposeful and motivated partnership as a condition where commitment has not yet been formed. And third, competence, the ability to solve consumer problem and to fulfill all their needs. And last, purchase intention. According to Kotler and Keller 2018, purchase intention is a customer behavior that appears in response to an object that stimulates the customer desire to make a purchase. Certain behavior, namely the intention to buy from the customer, can arise after seeing or knowing the advantage of product. Second, according to Hutter et al. 2014, Purchase intention refers to a decision-making process in which a customer have the will to act on a product or brand. And last, according to Pangali and Barituan 2016, state the purchase intention can be interpreted as a customer physiological condition that can encourage him to make a purchase due to the emergence of high attention to a certain product. Indicator of purchase intention, Manuarang and Mawardi 2018. First, a person tendency to buy a product. Second, a person tendency to refer product to others. And last, the tendency of a person to choose a product as his main choice. Recap framework. The effect of social media marketing and customer trust. Marketing in social media is considered an effective tool in developing customer relationship. According to Lu 2016, revealed that the way to build trust is to provide a special communication channel for customers who want to submit complaints and suggestions. Research conducted by Jules Vicar 2017, the result of his research showed that there is a significant positive influence between social media marketing on customer trust. Second, the effect of online customer review and customer trust. In online business, mutual trust between seller and customer is very important. One way you can increase the trust of potential customer is through online review. According to research conducted by Mulyati and Gesitera 2020, online review have a significant effect on trust. This is confirmed by research conducted by Mukhopadhyay 2017, which state the online customer trust has an effect on customer trust. Third, the effect on social media marketing and purchase intention. One of the things that can make customer feel satisfied and finally want to buy, apart from a quality product, is how companies can make direct interaction with their consumer. According to Leviana 2019, social media marketing can influence customer interest decision in choosing a product or service. Consumer choose products that are familiar. Based on research conducted by Diabes 2019, there is significant influence of social media marketing on purchase intention. Fourth, the effect of online customer review and purchase intention. One of the factors that can influence the emergence of purchase intention is online customer review, which is a feature that has attracted a lot of attention from academic and the public as one of the most influential factor in determining consumer buying intention. By Farki, by Haki, and Wibayawa 2016. This is in line with research by Iksan et al. 2018, which show that online customer review has a positive effect on purchase intention. And last, the effect of customer trust and purchase intention. An important factor that can influence purchase intention is the trust factor. The higher consumer confidence, the decision to make a purchase of a product will increase by Murwatiningsi and Apriliani 2000 by Murwatiningsi and Apriliani 2016. Research conducted by Nusarika and Purnami 2018 show that there is a positive relationship between trust and customer purchase intention, which is theoretical framework about hypothesis 1, 2nd, 3rd, 4, and 5. Formulation of hypothesis and chapter 3. Research methodology. Time, place, and object of research. This research was conducted from November 2021 to January 2022. Place, in this study we did not conduct direct interview but distribute online questionnaires, so that the research site was only through social media platform, namely Google Form. Object, first, follower social media Scarlet Whitening, of course. Second, consumer who live in the Jakarta. And last, age range consumer is 13 to 24 years old. B, research approach. The research approach that will be used by researchers is a quantitative approach. According to Boigi and Sekaran 2016, quantitative approach is a scientific approach that uses data in the form of number that can be processed and analyzed using mathematical or statistical calculations. The data collected by the researchers use a survey method by distributing questionnaire to Scarlet Whitening social media followers as well as potential customers. C. Variable operationalization. Variable independent is social media marketing and online customer review. Variable dependent is purchase intention. Variable mediating is customer trust. D. Population and sample. The population this study are followers of Scarlet Whitening social media who live in the DKI Jakarta. Method. The sample selection technique used this study in non-probability sampling technique. Non-probability sampling is a sampling technique that does not provide equal opportunities for each element or member of the population to be selected as a sample member by Sugiono 2015. The model used is purposive sampling. According to Sugiono 2016, that purposive sampling is a sampling technique of data search with certain consideration. And last, sample. Based on Whitland Hare et al. 2014, the prospective respondent in this study used many as 245 respondents. A. Data collection technique. The data collection technique used in the research is to use the method of distributing questionnaire. The data collected from the result of the questionnaire is primary data. The data was obtained after the research distribute questionnaire to 245 respondents. These respondents are followers at Scarlet Whitening social media, at least Instagram, who live in DKI Jakarta. F. Measurement scale. In this study, researchers use a Likert scale. According to Uma Sekaran and Roger Boigi, 2017, the Likert scale is a scale designed to assess how much the respondent agree with the statement submitted. In this study, the research used an interval of 1 to 4, referring to Sugiono 2015, which state that were in the demand and in accordance with the circumstance because is using an interval of 1 to 5, the research results are feared to be biased because most respondents will choose as a natural answer. So it is difficult to draw conclusion as well as assessment from this criteria. G. Data analysis technique. Data analysis use multivariate analysis method with the type of structural equation model or SEM method. In the processing, researchers will use SPSS as a statistical application program and LISTRA as an application program for SEM. There are 3 types of tests: is validity test, reliability test, and hypothesizing test. Data analysis techniques: first validity test, second reliability test, and third hypothesis test. Chapter 4. Research result and discussion. Characteristic of respondent based on gender. First, men, frequency 35%, 14.3, 5%, 14.3, cumulative percent 14.3. Second, woman 210 is percent 85.7, 5% 85.7, cumulative percent 100%. Next, characteristic of respondent based on work. First, student, frequency 203%, 82.9, 5%, 82.9, cumulative percent is 82.9. Next, second, entrepreneur, frequency is 33%, is 13.5, 5% is 13.5, cumulative percent is 96.3. And last, employee, frequency is 9%, is 3.7, valid percent is 3.7, and cumulative percent 100%. Next, research of data analysis. This is descriptive analysis. Descriptive analysis is a static used to analyze data by describing data from each respondent that has been collected through a questionnaire. First, social media marketing. The social media marketing variable has 13 points in the calculation according to the Likert measurement scale. This is a table of value of descriptive analysis of social media marketing variable. Based on the table above, point agree is the point most chosen by respondent compared to other points. Agree points have a total frequency of 50.1% with the statement, I am actively involved in social media interaction with online shop Scarlet Whitening. Next, online customer review. The online customer review variable has 10 points in its calculation according to the measurement scale. And this is data of value of descriptive analysis of online customer review variable. Based on the table above, point agree is the point most chosen by a respondent compared to other point. The agree point have a total frequency of 48.9% with the statement, a review on the Scarlet Whitening online shop can have an influence on me, so I give feedback on the information that have been provided. Next, customer trust. The customer trust variable has 10 points in its calculation according to the Likert measurement scale. And this is a value of descriptive analysis of customer review variable. Based on the table above, point agree is the point most chosen by respondent compared to the other points. The agree points have a totally frequency of 49% with the statement, I can believe that an activity in the Scarlet Whitening online shop will bring benefit. And let's purchase intention. The purchase intention variable has 12 points in calculation according to the Likert measurement scale. And this is table value of the descriptive analysis of purchase intention variable. Based on the table above, point agree is the point most chosen by respondent compared to other points. The agree points have a total frequency of 49.3% with the statement, I can make a decision to buy a Scarlet Whitening product, which was chosen by the most respondent with percentage value of 59.2%. Next, result of data analysis. First, validity test. In conducting the validity test in the study, the researchers use the person test method. The indicator can be said to be valid in this method if the calculated R value is greater than the R table value. The R table value with a significance of 5% and the number of sample as much as 245 is 0.138. Then the indicator carried out this study can said to be valid in the calculated R value achieved 0.095. The result of the calculation step that all indicators that will be used in this study are valid or can represent each variable being tested. Second, reliability test. According to the table above, it can be said that a variable social media marketing, online customer review, online customer trust, and purchase intention have perfect reliability with Crunchbase alpha value above 0.90. Social media marketing variable has the highest reliability with a value of 0.932 among others. Next, on confirmatory factor analysis. First, social media marketing variables. This is table. First, other construct variable social media marketing. And model first other construct variable social media marketing. When the testing the instrument, the social media marketing variable has 13 indicator, but after processing the model with the first order construct, there are two indicators, first and third indicator, that must be discarded because their value is less than 0.5. If less unchecked, the goodness fit of indices value becomes less good, so the research make adjustments so that value meets the index value. Second, online customer review variable. This is table of first order construct variable online customer review and model first order construct variable online customer review. When the testing the instrument, the online customer review variable has 10 indicators. After processing the model with the first order construct, no indicator were discarded because the value of each indicator was more than 0.5. In addition, the goodness fit of index value can be said to be good because all of them have a fit value, which means that they have met the index. Next, customer trust variable. This is table first order construct variable customer trust and model first order construct variable customer trust. At the time of testing the instrument, the customer trust variable has 9 indicators. After processing the model with the first order construct, no indicator is discarded because the value of each indicator is above 0.5. The goodness fit of indices value of this variable is also good because all of them have a fit value. And last, purchase intention variable. This is table first order construct variable purchase intention and model first order construct variable purchase intention. The purchase intention variable also have 12 indicators. And after processing the model with the first order construct, there are no indicator that must be discarded because the value of each indicator is above 0.5. The goodness fit of index value of this variable is also good because all of them has a fit value. Next, full SEM model. The picture above show the full SEM model with a combination of 4 variables, namely social media marketing, online customer review, customer trust, and purchase intention. The purpose of this full model is to analyze the relationship between one variable and other. The full value of the model must meet the criteria for the goodness fit on indices value to be set to be good. If the value obtained from data processing does not meet the criteria, modification of the index must be made in the Listra software. Based on the data processing carried out by the researchers, the full SAM model can be accepted because it has met the criteria for the goodness fit of index value and can be said to be fit. Next, hypothesis test. In hypothesis testing, in the standard is total effect in positive, then there is positive relationship between variable. But if it negative, there is no positive relationship between one variable and other. Then if the t-value show a value more than 1.96, then there is a significant relationship between the variables studied. But if the value then there is a significant relationship between the variables studied, but if the value is less than 1.96, then the variables do not have a significant relationship. This is hypothesis test. Hypothesis 1, hypothesis 1, social media marketing on customer trust. Standardized total effect is 0.262. The value is 4.727. Interpretation significant positive. Hypothesis 2 is online customer review on customer trust. Standardized total effect-nya is 0.625. The value is 10.166. Interpretation is significant positive. Hypothesis 3 is social media marketing on purchase intention. Standardized total effect is 0.222 and the value is 4.432. Interpretation is significant positive. Hypothesis 4 is purchase online customer review on purchase intention. Standardized total effect is 0.241. The value is 3.717. Interpretation is significant positive. Hypothesis 5 is customer trust on purchase intention. Standardized total effect is 0.535. The value is 7.184. Interpretation is significant positive. Hypothesis test description. The value of standardized total effect of the social media marketing variable on the customer trust variable is 1.26, which means it's positive, and the value from the hypothesis test result show a value greater than 1.196, which is 4.72, which means significant. These results are in accordance with the research conduct Julfikar 2018. The result of his research show that there is a significant positive influence between social media marketing on customer trust. Second, the value of standardized total effect of the online customer review variable on the customer trust variable is 0.62, which means it's positive, and the time value from the hypothesis test result show a value greater than 1.96, which is 10.16, which means significant. These results are accordance with the result conducted by Muelati 2012. These results are in accordance with the research conducted by Mulyati 2020 that online customer review has a significant effect on customer trust. This is confirmed by research conducted by Mukhopadhyay 2017, which states that customer review have an effect on customer trust. Third, the social media marketing variable on purchase intention has a standard total effect value of 0.22, which means is positive, and the value from the hypothesis test result have a value greater than 1.96, namely 4.43, which means significant. The result of this study are accordance with research conducted by Diebes 2019 that there is a significant influence of social media marketing on purchase intention. Fourth, the customer review on purchase intention has a standard total effect value of 0.24 and the value of 0.371, which means it's significant. The results of this study are in accordance with the research study by Ihsan et al. 2018, showing that online customer review has a positive effect on purchase intention. And last, the value of standard total effect of the customer trust variable on the purchase intention is 0.535, which means it's positive, and the tail value from the hypothesis test result show a value greater than 1.96, which is 7.18, which means significant. The result in accordance with research conducted by Nusarika and Purnami 2018, showing that there is a positive relationship between trust and customer purchase intention. Chapter 5, Conclusion and Suggestion. Conclusion. The first hypothesis which tests that social media marketing affect customer trust is acceptable. This conclusion is accordance with the result of the standardized total effect, the value of 0.26 and the value of 4.72, which have been carried out by researchers. Second, the second hypothesis which states that online customer review and affect customer trust is acceptable. This is accordance with the tests that have been carried out by researchers, which state that standard total effect value is 0.62 and the value are 10.16 in accordance with the provision of the index value. The third hypothesis which that the social media marketing affect purchase intention is acceptable. This conclusion is accordant with the result of the standard total effect test value of 0.22 and test value of 40.43 and test value of 4.43, which have been carried out by researchers. Next, the fourth hypothesis which online customer review affect on purchase intention is acceptable. The conclusion is accordant with the result of standardized total effect test value of 0.24 and test value of 3.71, which have been carried out by researchers. The fifth hypothesis which states that customer trust affect purchase intention is acceptable. This is in accordance with the test that have been carried out by researchers. We state that the standardized total effect value is 0.53 and the value are 7.18 in accordance with the provision of the index value. B. Implication. Social media marketing. On average, the social media marketing variable received a positive answer from the respondent. The indicator which the highest positive response was I am actively involved in Scarlett whitening social media marketing interaction, which was responded positively by 59.2% of respondents. Second, online customer review. On average, the online customer review variable received a positive answer from the respondent. The indicator with the highest positive response is review on the online shop Scarlett whitening can have an influence on me so that I give feedback on the information that has been given, which was responded positively by 49.2% of respondents. Third, customer trust. The customer trust variable on average get a positive answer from the respondent. The indicator with the highly positive response was, I can trust that an activity in the Scala Fattening online shop will benefit, which was responded positively by 59.2% of respondents. And last, purchase intention. The purchase intention variable on average get a positive answer from the respondent. The indicator with the highest positive respondent was, I can make a decision to buy a Scarlett Whitening product, which was responded positively by 59.2% of respondents. The research limitation. The research was conducted during the COVID-19 pandemic, so the researchers distribute online and offline questionnaire. Although the researchers have been able to get research data offline, researchers cannot get a lot of it at once. This causes the data collection time to be longer than the researchers estimate. In addition, researchers also face limitation on approach research reference. The limitation reference made this research a bit hampered. Suggestion. First, practical advice regarding the social media marketing variable. There was the highest negative respondent of 11.4% relate to online shop Scarlett Whitening buying and selling and building trust in social media. It can be concluded that some people still do not believe the information provided in Scarlett Whitening social media. Seen from the many cases of fraud committed by individuals who sell Scarlett Whitening product with fake product. So Scarlett Whitening must always innovate and provide education to create information content on its social media about Scarlett Whitening product. For example, the content in the product, the price offered, and the benefit on the product, so as to maintain the level of trust from its customer. Second, regarding the online customer review variable, there was the highest negative response of 11.4% related to review on the Scarlett Whitening online shop can provide all information which is quick, clear, and easy to understand. It can be concluded that some respondents have not received clear information from product review that have been purchased by previous consumer. So, Scarlett Whitening must be able to increase the positive review it gets from its customer. This positive review can be achieved by improving the quality of Scarlett Whitening product and services. For example, by selecting content that should be tailored to skin type and also providing consulting services before purchase. Third, regarding the customer variable, there is the highest negative respondent of 11.4% relate to online shop Scarlett Whitening keep its promise with the right product. Skincare products are one of the products that are not easily trusted by the public. Some respondents have difficulty in finding suitable skincare product. So, Scarlett Whitening must be able to maintain and increase customer confidence by providing testimonial or review from customers who have used to the product. Providing information about Scarlett Whitening and product information provided, as well as establishing interactive communication to the audience as potential customer. This interactive communication can be used for regular consultation regarding facial skin types and appropriate product. Next, theoretical suggestion. Future research can use different variables such as the brand image variable that can affect customer loyalty by Chao et al. 2015. By Chao et al. 2015. Brand awareness according to Hakwe et al. 2018 and other variables. Research can also use the same variable but with the different object and different research model with a sample size of more than 200 respondents with variable sample characteristic. In addition, future research can be carried out by taking data of or reference sources that are more accurate and up-to-date. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.